Representative Reeves, and thank you to all of our speakers. Excellent, thank you so much. Can we get another round of applause for all of our speakers today? Before we move on, we'd like to acknowledge one more member of this community. So the Mary Oaks Baptist Church is a church that was built in 1888. As you know, the expansion plans for this area could result in the church being displaced. VinFast CEO Ms. Van Ann had the distinct honor of attending the Sunday service at the Mary Oaks Baptist Church last week and was welcomed with open arms from the community and the members in the congregation there. As a result, this week, VinFast has announced that we are donating 3 acres of land to the Mary Oaks Church on our site free of charge, and that we will be working with our partners to identify resources needed to potentially relocate the church if necessary. On behalf of everyone at VinFast, we're forever honored to be part of the fabric of the community that folks like this have built, and they're with us here today. To the members of the Mary Oaks Baptist Church, would you please stand and be recognized? Jerry, Sharon, thank you so much for being here with us today. Okay. That was a wonderful moment. All right, now the moment that we've all been waiting for. I would like to invite some of our distinguished guests with us here today to do the official ceremonial shoveling of dirt. So now we're gonna do this. Please welcome me once again, the Honorable Ambassador Zung, Governor Cooper, Senator Murdoch, Representative Reeves, Chair Karen Howard, Senator Bergen, Anthony Johnson CEO Clayco, Madam Tui Lee, and Ms. Van An Wen. We're gonna have our VIPs head over to the shoveling center over here. I would like our media partners as well to have the ability to get up front and get photographs. And for the rest of you, if you'd like to gather, please go ahead and join us.
Chào các bạn, đây là lễ động thổ các bạn. Giây phút thiêng liêng đã bắt đầu từ đây. Chào các bạn. Lễ động thổ nhà máy xe điện VinFast ở North Carolina. Hôm nay là ngày 28 tháng 7 2023 các bạn.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's go ahead and take a big shovel.
Thời tiết hơi nóng nhưng mà cũng ok luôn.
All right, join me, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll count it down, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Toss it.
Wow, lễ lễ động thổ VinFast North Carolina. Chúc mừng VinFast, chúc mừng người Việt Nam và chúc mừng người Mỹ. Chúc mừng người Việt Nam trong nước và chúc mừng Việt Nam ở khắp thế giới các bạn. Mình rất là hãnh diện để có mặt giây phút này để chia sẻ với các bạn trong và ngoài nước. May mắn có mặt hôm nay. Anh áo rách. Ok, Super Nam xin cầm lễ đồng thổ các bạn. Super Nam lễ đồng thổ các bạn nha. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Partners at Clayco here will be pouring the first official layer of concrete on what will be our first building. All right, so Clayco, go ahead and pour that concrete.
Chúc mừng VinFast. Chúc mừng VinFast. Chúc mừng VinFast. Madam Thu Thủy, VinFast Global. is the VinFast CEO Global, Madam Thu Thủy.
Ok chị, dạ. Có chị phải giới thiệu xong chị phải biết chị là ai mà chụp hình chứ. Ok chị đẹp Cali. Chị phải chụp với chị đẹp Cali nha.
Anh đứng ngay giữa, anh đứng giữa chụp anh.
Hôm nay cho các bạn coi Madam Thu Thủy đã luôn.
Không có dịp chụp đâu. Nó mệt quá rồi. Ai nói đó.
Of course, let's continue to work together. We'll do it.
So you must feel good. Car today.
Lễ đã bắt đầu. Lễ bắt đầu kết thúc các bạn. Chắc mình đi tìm cái ly nước uống nãy giờ. Khát nước quá rồi.
Customs police is it, and the administrator. We can get activated. That's what I'm ready for, the video. Yeah. So I'm gonna dumb it down to people like this so I can better understand.
Hi, how are you? I saw your video with Hoàng and Albert. And may I ask a few questions for my YouTube channel?